Correct. Lesson 5, children. Candy Perahara. About the Candy Perahara. Lesson 5, page number 49. You are correct, Setuja. Turn this page from in your pupils book, children. Not the workbook. Turn the pupils book. Today we want to read this. Paragraph by paragraph, I will give chance to you. You can read. Or not reading, you can read. First paragraph, want to read? Leader. Start to read, leader. Others want to listen.
The student of Gajaba Vidyalaya went to Kandy. They went to see the Kandy Perahara. They wrote about it for their class wallpaper.
Okay, very good. But we are talking today about the Candy Perahara. Now look at the paragraph. First paragraph. The students of Gajaba Vidyalaya went to Kandy. Who went to Kandy? Tell me. Linumi. Who went to Kandy?
Gajaba Vidyalaya.
Yes, yes. The students of Gajaba Vidyalaya. They went to Disuli. They went to
Kandy.
Yes, not the Candy Perahara. They went to Kandy. Okay, Disuli. Next one. They went to see the Candy Perahara. Why they went to Kandy? Nuatra. Why they went to Kandy? Because you have to use the word. Because they want to see.
See the Kandy Perahara.
Yes, they want to see the Candy Perahara. Next one. They wrote about it for the class wallpaper. ඒක ගැන කොහෙද ලිව්වේ? Class wallpaper. First part want to read? Prehendu. Can you read first part? Only 3 sentences.
Yes, teacher.
Want to read? Start to read, Prehendu.
The Candy Perahara is a beautiful pageant. It is in August. King Kirti Sri Rajasingha started it first.
Yes, yes. When is in Candy Perahara? Who can tell me? Dixon, can you tell me? When is in Candy Perahara?
Teacher, I can tell.
Wait. Now your chance is over. Okay, Rehendu, don't angry with me. I want to give chances to others. Dixon, can you tell me? Which month we can see Candy Perahara? Your video has stuck. Netum, tell me. Yes.
It is in August.
Yes, it is in August. Now, do you like to see Candy Perahara, children? Now, please show my spoken class children. Show your Candy Perahara's photos. Others, look at now.
Teacher, my photo is my table.
Look at the photos. Wait. First showing Setuja. Wait, Netum. One by one, I can show to you. First, look at Setuja's book here. Setuja say, look at, this is my Candy Perahara. This is the photo about Candy Perahara. Say.
This is my candy.
Now, look at this photo.
Look at this photo. This is a Candy Perahara.
Very good. Yes, now Netum, show your book. Wait, I still find.
This photo. This is Candy Perahara.
Yeah. Okay, now wait, children. Then after, only that, don't show the other photos. Then who started first? Who can tell me? The Candy Perahara? Sasinu, tell. King
Kirti Sri Rajasingha
started it first. Okay, King.
started it first.
Yes, yeah, tamai issellama Candy Perahara. Okay, Risindu. Start kare. Okay, now look at the next paragraph. But that is a long one. I divide in. Teacher kiyanakam read kara. First start. Sasinu and Netum both. Okay. Sasinu can.
Teacher.
Yes, look at Sanula's picture. Wait. Sanula, show again. Sanula, talk now. Look at my picture. Say. You can read that second part. First part, read, Sasinu. First, you hear the read that.
First you hear the whips, tatters carrying their whips. They lead the perahera. The flag bears
Sword carriers.
Sword carriers and fireball acrobats come next.
Peramunerala.
And Peramunerala and Havisi trophies follow them.
Okay.
Follow them.
Wait. I will teach now. First, look at. Okay, listen carefully. First, you hear. First, you can hear the whip crackers.
I have photo.
Yes, now show your whip crackers photos. Yes. Show. Look at Setuja's whip cracker. Spoken class children, show your books now. Now is your time. You can show. Take the chance. Yes. Whip crackers are cracking their whips. Kasa gaha gaha enawa neda. They lead the perahera. Kauda lead karanne perahera. Who lead the perahera? Tell me.
Crackers.
Whip crackers. After whip crackers, who coming? Flag bearers. Can you see?
Flag bearers.
Flag bearers mean kodi. Kodi aragena yana ayeda.
Kodi asawagene nama.
Yana aya. Okay, flag bearers. And sword carriers mean kauda kiyala hanne in Sinhala. Sword carriers mean if you want write.
Kadu aranyane gini bola
Say sat karuan, right, children? Say yes, write that. If you want, write in Sinhala. If you don't know these words. Sword carriers mean say sat karuan. And fireball acrobats mean fireball acrobats. Yes. Pandam karuan, gini bola karuan, you can write. Okay, Sanula. Get some. Then fireball acrobats come next. Then after who coming? Peramunerala. Do you know that? Peramunerala. Havisi trophies. Havisi aragena ayanai. Okay, Havisi trophies. Follow them. Passen yanawa. Gollonta passen yanawa. Follow karna. Okay. Then next part. Want to read Netu? This will place on off your camera. This mic, so not the camera. What happened to the connection? Okay, Netum read.
The tuckers carriers the scared tooth.
No, not that one. Netum. Some Nilames want to. Yes, start from here. Some Nilames.
Drummers and
Candian dance.
Candian dancers are next in line. The Candian dancers add beauty to the perahera.
Yes. Now wait. Some Nilames. Who have Nilame photos? Do you have Nilame?
Teacher, I have.
A beautiful cloth. Can you remember? Have you seen the Nilame skit? Look at Setuja's photo. Okay? Nilame.
I saw.
Yes. Then after Nilame, drummers. Drummers mean?
Berakaru.
Yes, Berakaruan. And Candian dancers. Show your Candian dancers. Yes, Sasino, thank you. You are showing the flag. Buddhist flag. Yes, Sasino. Very big flag you have. Okay, now show your Candian dances. Udarata nattu karuwan. Okay. Yes, yes, you are correct, Danuj. Very okay, very good. Candian very nice. Candian dancers are next in line. ඊළඟ පේලියේ ඉන්න Candian dancers. The Candian dancers add beauty. එයාලා මොනවද කරන්නේ? Add beauty. Yes, Sasinu can dance nicely. Yes, they can add beauty to the පෙරහැර. එයාලා හින්දා ලස්සන වෙනවද පෙරහැර? They add.
Yes.
Yes, okay, they can add beauty to the පෙරහැර. Now last paragraph on to read. Who can read? Here see Sanula's photo, Nilame photo. Yes. Nowadays.
I have Rama's photo.
Dramas. Yes. Here see Dramas photo. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Setuja, Sanula, Sasinu also. Sasinu wearing that Nilame kit. Okay. Look at Sasinu. Just like a real Nilame, Sasinu. Very nice. Okay. Now, can you read the last paragraph? But little bit difficult. Shall I read? Teacher, ma read karanada. Some words are little bit difficult. The tasker. Tasker mean? Who know the Sinhala meaning?
Atta?
Yes, yes. Tasker mean? Karandu aragena yana?
Karandu aragena atta.
Atta, okay. Look at that. Here, look at your book. Tasker photos.
I have a photo.
Yes, yes, all of you have. In your book, you can see the tasker, okay? Yeah, karandu aragena yanne, okay? The tasker carries the sacred tooth relic. Sacred tooth relic mean karandu. Dalada karandu. එකට තමයි එයා පරිස්සමට බොහොම පරිස්සමට නේද අරන් යන්නේ. Okay. Here look at that. Very nice, Setuja. Next, the Diyavadana Nilame and other Nilames follow the tasker. Behind the tasker coming Diyavadana Nilame and other Nilames. Okay, all the Nilames are follow the tasker. How many elephants are there?
100 elephants.
Over 100.
100 elephants.
Over 100. Not 100 elephant children. Over 100 mean 100 vada වැඩි. Take part in this event. The 4 Devala Peraharas go after that. After elephants, then after following Devala Peraharas. Okay. The Perahara lasts for more than how many hours? 3 hours. People come to see it. ලංකාවේ වටේම ඉන්න අය එනව නේද? ලෝකෙ වටේම ඉන්න අය. Here see Sanula's photo. Very nice, very beautiful. Yes, okay children. Now 3:47 p.m. Now our lesson is over. Now shall we make some questions now? What are the questions? You have to use the 4 words you can use. Look at this page. Yes.
What? How many?
Yes, when, who, what, how many, you can use these 4 words and try to make now. Only 7 minutes. Right now, teacher will help to you. Now bring your workbook and write this in your workbook. Write black color. When is the Candy Perahara? We can ask first. When is the Candy K should be capital. Candy Perahara. Put the question mark. After the question, you should put the question mark. Then after, put the star mark and write the answer. It is in the, what is the answer? August. Yes.
August.
It is in August. Write the answer. August, A should be capital and full stop. Want to put. Second question. Who started it first? Who started it first?
King
Sri
Sri Rajasingh.
Sri Rajasingh first. It
Write the answer, children. I am writing only the questions. Third one, because of the time. Who lead the Perahara? Who lead the? As you wish, you can make some questions. Okay, yes. Write the answers. Fourth question. How many elephants? Off your mics. How many elephants take part in this event?
Over 100 elephants.
Yes, over 100 elephants. Number 5. How many hours? Yes, I will put later. First you write because of now 4 minutes. How many hours the Perahara lasts? How many hours, children? Then more than 3 hours. You should write, okay? More than. Write the answer.
I write all questions.
Okay. Next answer. Whip crackers.
With crackers.
If you can't remember whip cracker, what is the short word? Nice word I told from my spoken class. Who can remember? අමතක වෙනවා නම් මොකද්ද මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ? Whip cracker. Can you remember?
Cream cracker.
Yes, cream cracker. You can remind the word, okay? Fourth one. Over 100 elephants. Now 2 minutes, children. Last one. More than. Three hours. These are the questions and answers. Now can you understand, children? Sasinu, now okay?
Now okay.
Okay. Rishindu, are you there?